Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your data is analysis ready. Fix types, drop duplicates, and fill or tag nulls so Tableau interprets values correctly. Next, connect directly to your file, database, or web connector, then drag tables into the canvas and choose joins or relationships. Once done, decide extract versus live for performance, create simple calculated fields if needed, and rename fields for readable labels. This upfront discipline prevents errors downstream and speeds dashboard building. Now build the core worksheets for your dashboard. Make one focused visual per worksheet so each tells a clear part of the story. Use filters and context filters to control scope and pick the right mark type, color palette, and labels to emphasize differences. Once visuals are ready, arrange them in a dashboard using horizontal and vertical containers, set fixed sizes or floating elements for responsiveness, and align to a grid. This organization makes interactivity predictable and the final layout cohesive. Finish by wiring interactivity. Add dashboard filter actions, highlight actions, and URL or parameter actions for drill downs so users explore the data. Then optimize performance, limit marks, use extracts, and simplify heavy calculations or move logic to the source when possible. Once complete, publish to Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud, configure permissions and extract refresh schedules, and test on desktop and mobile. If something breaks, check cross-data source joins and filter scopes first. That usually resolves unexpected blanks or slow queries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.